If you want to create a Google form easily, then you can utilize something called GPT Form Builder, which is a Form Builder AI plugin. So to do that, I'm simply going to go around onto my Chrome web store right here. So I'm using Google Chrome browser right now, and you can use any browser of your choice. And over here, I'm simply going to go ahead and type in GPT Form Builder right here, just like this, GPT Form Builder, and press enter. So here you can see that AI Google Form Builder is an option right here, and you can simply go ahead and add it to Chrome. So if you were to add an extension, you can see that it supports wide range of format right here. So you can convert your PDF into form, or Word document into form, images into form, and so forth. So you can see that it is installing right here, and once it is installed, you can see that it is still being installed. Let's wait for it to finish installing. And it's downloaded, as you can see right here. So now this AI Google Builder form is installing, and you can see that it is installed now. So now I'm simply going to go ahead onto Google Form, GPT Google Form Builder, and here you can see that I can upload out a file, text to form, or even go for video to form as well. So if I were to go around, I can open up any related files that I have, and I can simply build a form out of it. But I'm simply going to go to text to form right here, and you can also upload a video if you want to. So for example, let's say I want to create a form to get customer satisfaction survey on how good my tea house in let's say Sydney is, right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and generate this out, and then what happens is that AI Form Builder will now simply take me to the next step. So let me just go ahead and choose my ID that I want to continue with. So you do need to be signed in with your Google account for this. So I'm signed in with my Google account, and I have this text prompt right here. So question number, you can choose the number of questions. You can also make it a quiz, but let me just leave it as it is right here. And the target language should be English. So let me just keep it English and click on build form. So once you do that, you do need to sign in with Google and provide it with permission to actually go ahead and then access Google Forms in your Google Drive so that it can generate out your form for you. So you can see that it is building right here, just like this. In a while, it will be finished. So you can see that you need to wait for a while, and then it is generated. So it says Google Forms has been built successfully. So let me just go around and open up the form right here, and this is what you have. So customer satisfaction survey for Sydney Tea House. We value your feedback, and how often do you visit your tea houses here? How would you rate quality of our tea is here? How would you rate the variety of teas available is here, and so forth. And you can see that you have all of these in Google Forms easily right here. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the GPT Form Builder inside of Chrome to generate Google Forms easily as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.